sounds of hip-hop and R&B on Monster with Nikki at 26. At 26.
SB19 here. Ano ate? Versus previous recipe. Parami na tayo. So in love sa chicken McDo. Para sa'yo at para sa atin. Ang better chicken McDo. Atin to chicken McDo. Better chicken McDo. Versus previous recipe. Drive-thru pa McSaver Sulit Busog Chicken McDo meal, 99 pesos lang nationwide.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board. What's new on campus? Events, concerts, parties.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board.
Calling all economics and business students, professionals, and enthusiasts across the country. The National Economic Summit is returning, and it's bigger and better than ever. This year's premier youth-led event, themed The Green Leap, pioneering sustainable economic development to achieve global goals, will take place on September 7, 2024 at the University of the Philippines, Bilaman. The summit will gather the nation's most distinguished students, scholars, and young professionals for a day of insightful discussions and innovative ideas. Stay tuned for updates on the event, engaging economic content, and more by following the National Economic Summit on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NESUP EcoSoc and LinkedIn. Together, let's climb towards a more prosperous future for the Philippines by pioneering sustainable economic development. See you at the summit. For the Radio 1 School Gimmick Board, this is student Doc Jules of DLSU. Catch the Radio 1 show every Saturday from 2 to 6 p.m. Only on Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick.
The Radio 1 School Gimmick Board, featuring Manila's hottest student jocks, taking over to Monster, your crash course in cool school affairs. Radio 1, hosted by your favorite student DJs from some of the country's finest colleges and universities. Every Saturday, only from Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.
私はさ。I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. I get money, I'm a star, 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 star. お金稼ぐ、俺らはスター。お金稼ぐ、私はスター。